What's up, y'all? And today we're in another video. Today we're going to learn how to find the derivative of exponential functions. So with me here is a very common example of an exponential function, e to the x. What is the derivative of e to the x? Anytime you take the derivative of an exponential function, it's just going to be the same. It's going to be the same function times the derivative of the inner function. What do I mean by this? Well, let's get into it. So you've been given the derivative, that you've been given a function e to the x, and you've been asked to find the derivative. Well, it's simply e to the x. Why is it e to the x, right? Okay. So the derivative, there's two forms of the function here. There's the outer function, what I just labeled. This is the outer function, and this is the inner function. The outer function's derivative is e to the x. The inner function's derivative is just 1, because the derivative of x to the 1, x first power x, the derivative of x is 1. So essentially what you're looking here is e to the x times 1. But anything to the 1, anything multiplied by 1 is just the same thing. So the derivative for e to the x is e to the x. Let's go through another problem if that went over your head. F of x is equal to e to the 3x. So now the derivative is equal to e to the 3x times 3, which is 3e to the 3x. That's the derivative. So you're taking the outer function, you're multiplying the outer function by the derivative of the inner function. And that's where chain rule comes into play, because chain rule allows you to find the derivative of the inner function. The inner function of this function is 3x. The derivative of 3x is 3. 3 times e to the 3x is 3e to the 3x. Remember what I said, when you're taking the derivative of the exponent, it's just going to be the exponent times the inner function derivative. So we have e to the 3x reappearing times the derivative of the inner function, which is 3. And your final answer is 3e to the 3x. I hope this was helpful. Comment in the comment section if you want more examples like this. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.